may ano? Hiwa. Hiwa sa ano, gitna. Ayan guys, ang daming turista. Ang ganda, promise. Super beautiful.
Up to you, maybe if you want to start photo in here, it's okay.
See? Maybe there's no people. Yes?
Yeah.
No people.
You want to take photo in here or go to up?
I want to go up.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the same like this? Have like this? Same. Same. Grabe, ang ganda. Oh my God. Ito yung ano guys, yung parang ano, yung highway na may hati sa ano, sa gitna.
You cut this mountains also here like this.
This is not mountain.
It's beautiful.
Like this.
Ang ganda ng ano nila guys.
So I am asking you that you cut this mountain or this is like this before.
Yeah, if this is like
This
they
road,
made
Oh
it.
yeah, automatic.
They made this one.
Yeah.
you made this for
So
cutting?
they carve?
Yeah, di ka?
Really? Oh, okay. So hindi siya pang nature. I mean like ginawa pala nila, see? Yeah, they made it, right?
Yeah, di ka.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
cement. Yeah.
They cut the mountain.
Parang cement siya. Yeah. Ayun guys. Ginawa pala nila to, hindi pala ano. Sabi ng ano ha, tour guide. I'm not sure. Grabe yung...
Oh, you want it?
So, Tanabarak Cliff everyone. Ganyan siya kaganda. Diba? See? Wow. It's beautiful, promise. In person, it's more beautiful.
Maybe later you can take
When the photo and videos come
in the bit again.
Daming turista guys. See, ayan yung ano, yung very famous cliff na may hati. Wow, this is amazing. Oh my God. Yeah, like oh wow. But you can go down, no?
No,
This is like cliff. Yeah. So, ayan guys. Diyan yung cliff tapos mayroon siyang beach dito. Grabe, ang ganda. See? Ayun yung famous sa TikTok.